Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're counting down the top 5 best folding knives of 2025. The newest, sharpest, and most reliable EDC blades you can get your hands on this year. Whether you're into outdoor adventures, everyday carry, or just love well-engineered gear, these knives are definitely worth a spot in your kit. All product links are listed for you down in the description, so feel free to check them out and compare the specs as we go. Now, let's jump straight into the list. The 5. Gerber Paraframe Mini Upgrade your everyday carry with the Gerber Paraframe Mini, a durable and ultra-reliable EDC pocket knife designed for anyone who values performance in a compact package. Featuring a 2.2-inch stainless steel clip-point blade, this knife delivers clean cutting power with long-lasting durability, while the lightweight frame lock handle and easy-access pocket clip make it perfect for effortless daily carry. Whether you're a tactical gear enthusiast, hunter, tradesman, or outdoor explorer, the Paraframe Mini is a must-have addition to your camping kit, toolbox, fishing setup, or hiking gear. With its compact 5.25-inch overall length and feather-light 1.6-aughts design, this knife is built for convenience without sacrificing strength. Plus, it's backed by the Gerber limited lifetime warranty, giving you confidence in every cut. 4. Spyderco C122 GBBKP, introducing the Tenacious, a knife engineered for endurance and built for those who demand performance. Its full flat-ground 8CR13 MOV stainless steel blade delivers impressive edge retention, toughness, and reliability, whether you're tackling everyday tasks or operating in demanding tactical environments. The Peel-Ply G10 handle ensures a secure, non-slip grip, reinforced by skeletonized stainless steel liners that boost strength without adding bulk. Choose between a razor-sharp plain edge or the versatile combination edge, paired with either a sleek satin finish or rugged black oxide coating. A dependable liner lock mechanism provides smooth one-handed operation and confident lockup every time. Finished with a 4-position pocket clip, the Tenacious offers fully customizable carry options, left or right, tip up or tip down, making it the perfect everyday companion for those who value precision, control, and adaptability. 3. Grandway 007. Experience the perfect blend of strength, style, and practicality with this premium black pocket knife for men. Built with a durable 440C stainless steel blade, hardened to 60 HRC, and a refined rosewood and metal handle, this folding knife delivers reliability you can feel. Its 3.66-inch blade opens smoothly with convenient thumb studs, while the secure liner lock keeps it firmly in place during use. Designed with a glass breaker, pocket clip, and sleek black oxide blade coating that reduces glare, it's a dependable tool for everyday carry. Measuring 8.66 inches overall and weighing 6.88 aughts, this all-in-one knife is ideal for camping, hiking, work, fishing, outdoor projects, and general preparedness. Functional, stylish, and crafted with precision, it's a versatile companion ready for any adventure. 2. Good Worker, 2.95 inches serrated. Experience the perfect blend of power, precision, and practicality with this sleek black pocket knife, engineered for anyone who wants a reliable tool always within reach. Crafted from durable 440C stainless steel, it features a serrated 2.95-inch blade, an ergonomic 4.2-inch aluminum handle, and a secure liner lock for confident use. Measuring a compact 7.17-inch overall and weighing just 4.2 aughts, it's built for everyday carry, yet tough enough for camping, hiking, backpacking, fishing, hunting, bushcraft, work tasks, DIY projects, emergencies, and more. With added features like a seatbelt cutter, glass breaker, and pocket clip, this all-in-one knife is ready for whatever comes your way. Its stylish folding design makes it an essential companion for both men and women, and a standout gift for fathers, husbands, brothers, friends, co-workers, or any outdoor enthusiast. Whether for birthdays, holidays, or Father's Day, this knife makes a memorable and practical gift idea. 1. Smith & Wesson SW24S. Upgrade your everyday carry with this 7.1-inch Smith & Wesson folding knife, engineered for performance and reliability. Featuring a 3.1-inch 7CR7 move black oxide high-carbon stainless steel blade, this knife delivers long-lasting durability and sharp precision. The lightweight 3.5-ounce build and black aluminum handle make it comfortable to carry, while the pocket clip, finger flipper, and ambidextrous thumb knobs ensure fast, easy access whenever you need it. A dependable liner lock keeps the blade securely in place, and added features like jimping and serrations provide extra versatility for any task. Backed by a limited lifetime warranty, this knife is designed to be your trusted companion, on the job, outdoors, or every day. And that wraps up our list of the top 5 best folding knives of 2025. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest gear reviews. All the knives featured in this video, along with updated pricing and more details, are linked for you in the description below, so feel free to check them out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.